So friends, let's create a REDNOTE account and do watch the video till the end because I'll tell you how to translate every page of that app. So here just open your Play Store or App Store and it's on trending, so you can just directly write REDNOTE and it will be on the top of your page. So I'll here search for REDNOTE and here you can see now in the second option, like its logo is now in Chinese, but maybe in future they'll upgrade it. And now the app is also changed to English language because first it was in Chinese, like completely in Chinese, but now they changed it to English. So that's why now account creation is easy, but still there are some For You pages or some posts which are in just Chinese languages. So how to translate them? So just watch this complete video and no need to watch any other videos. So here let's open it and here I'll click on agree. And now after this they will ask for like some permissions like notification or something else. That is up to you. So now here they have added a WeChat button. So if you don't know how to create a WeChat account, I will give the link in the I button or in the description, so you can just watch it there. But I will log in it with my Google account because I will not need to provide any more information. So here I'll click on Google and I will select that account which I need to log in. Now here you just need to select your gender and your age. So I'll click on I will just swipe up and select my age and then I'll select my gender and then click on next. So after this they will ask for what is your interest, like which type of For You page do you need. So I'll select my interests and just start exploring. I'll click here and then they'll again ask for contact access, which means like the numbers you have in your device. So if someone is using this app, you will get recommended to like follow him or they will follow you. So this was the account creation. Now let's go to the translation. So here just don't allow them. The first way is just take a screenshot and then open your Google Lens and just put that screenshot in that in that Google Lens and they will just translate it directly. But I'll tell you the easiest way. So the easiest way is like you have opened the app, just say hey Google and then tell him to translate my screen. And when it will translate it, it will like you don't need to take any screenshot or any type of thing, and it will directly just translate the page for you. So this is how you can do it. Do subscribe to my channel.